All right, welcome to OnlineMaths TV. My name remains Jakes Animal, and in today's class, we have a challenge on circle geometry. Okay, recommended. All right, and so before we go into today's challenge, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification button so that you can get notified whenever we draw a new video, because we drop new videos every day, and any of the days we skip dropping a video, we drop to the next day. Okay, so let's go into today's challenge. The question says, we have a diagram here, and it says P, arrow, and X lie on a circle of center O as shown above. While Q lies outside the circle, find angle PXO. PXO. So we're looking for this angle here now. Okay, we have to find the value of this angle. Okay, now before we find the value of this angle, we look critically and look at the relationship of this angle with the given angles. Two angles are given here. Okay, look at this and this. If we are to consider triangle PQ, two sides of the triangles is already given. So we have to get this part of this triangle. Okay, so from there, we now start with considering triangle PQ arrow. So we now say from triangle PQ arrow, we apply the sum of angle in a triangle, which is 180 degrees. So if we do that, we're going to have here angle P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degrees. You must give reason to that, because this is your P, this is your arrow, and this is your Q, all of them in this triangle. So from here, our P is 20. So we have here, sorry, let's go back to our reason first. Where's the reason for that? We say sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angle in a triangle. Okay, so P is 20, so you'll have this to be 20 degrees plus Q is 35, so we have here 35 degrees plus arrow is what we're looking for. It's not known. Is equal to 180 degrees. So 20 plus 35, this automatically will give us 55 degrees plus arrow is equal to 180 degrees. Collecting your items, we have here arrow is equal to 180 degrees minus 5 degrees. And if you subtract this, we're going to have here arrow is equals to 125 degrees. So we've succeeded in calculating for this. So let's bring out this angle here for us. So we're having this angle here to be 125 degrees. Very easy. We now go ahead and look for this angle here. How do we get this angle on this other side now? If you consider XQ is a straight line angle. So 6 is a straight line angle. And we know that the sum of angle on the straight line or angle on the straight line is 180 degrees. We've gotten one part of the 180 degrees. So how do we now get this part? That has to do with the circle inside itself. Okay, from here, we'll go ahead and ask P arrow X to P arrow Q. So from here, we'll now say, yeah, if we add up, this is going to give us here P arrow Q plus your P arrow X, P arrow X is equal to 180 degrees. Also, give your reason. What is the reason to this? We say here, angle on a straight line. On a straight line. Okay. What is P arrow Q? P arrow Q, which is 125. So we have this to be 125 degrees plus P arrow X. P arrow X is what we're looking for. We've gotten. So we have here P arrow X will remain in here is equals to 180 degrees. So therefore we have P arrow X is equals to 180 degrees minus 125 degrees. If you do this, P arrow X is going to give us 55 degrees. Now, something special has happened here. It also means that this angle here is equal to the two interior angles. So there is a theory which I could as well use, okay? So, but you get it from me now that this is an exterior angle to this triangle here now. So if this is an exterior angle to it, these two interior angles are opposite to this. So there is a theory that says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle. Very easy. Okay, so if you add this to this, it will give us this, which is what we calculated for. So let's bring out this angle again. And so here we have this to be 55 degree again. Now, there is a relationship between this angle, because this angle is at the circumference, and there's another angle at the center. So how do we get this angle at the center here? So let's mark this out here with two liner. How do we get the angle at the center? Now, the angle at the center is twice that which is sustained at any point of the circumference. It's another theorem too. Okay, so let's go ahead and use our electric to bring it out here. So from here, we say that your POX, so I have here POX, angle POS is equals to 2 times or 2 into P arrow X. P arrow X. What is the reason for that? The reason is angle at center twice that at circumference. Okay, so let's put this in bracket. Okay, twice that at the circumference. So from here, we now have this to be POX. POX is equal to 2 times 55 degree. And so 2 times 55 degree, we're going to have here 0. Here we have 1. So let's go ahead and put this value here again. So we have 110 degree rather. So we have the 110 degree. Now, if we look carefully, from O to P is a radius. From O to X is also a radius. Okay, now this is a triangle POX. So what kind of a triangle is this? Because two sides are same, so that is an isosceles triangle. And so we can mark this, same. So from this isosceles triangle, let's proceed to say from triangle POX, which is an isosceles triangle, we're going to have this to be angle P plus O plus X will give us 180 degree. And the base angles will be the same. And so angle P will be equal to angle X. And so from here, we can say here that angle P is equal to angle X. Where is the reason? Base angles of isosceles triangle. Now that we have established this fact, so let's add the summation of the angles in here. So we're going to have here P plus O plus X equal to 180 degree. Same reason about sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, so what is our P? We don't know. And mind you, we said P is equal to X. So we can now take this as 2. So we have here 2P plus 110 degree equal to 180 degree. So 2P equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Okay, so if we subtract this, we're going to have here 2P degree equal to your 70 degree. We divide by 2. We divide both sides by 2, this and this we go. So we have angle P is equal to 35 degree. And that is what we are asked to look for. We are asked to look for angle PSO. So we can now say, therefore, our PXO is equal to our angle P, which is equal to, okay, let's say, which is equal to angle X is equal to 35 degree. Very easy. Okay, so but if you have learned something special from this solving, drop it in the comment section below. Okay, and if you have a better way of solving this, because in mathematics we deal with time and accuracy, speed and accuracy. So if you have a better way of solving this within a very short period of time, drop it also in the comment section. Okay, so that we can equally learn from you too. Thanks for always be there. Remember, all of us at Online Maths TV love you. Bye for now.